I promised you an update regarding the cat with stomatitis. He finally went through the surgery. His affected teeth were removed, but he still has a few teeth left. Today, a few weeks since the surgery, he is feeling much better and he definitely has less pain in his mouth. The vet said it might take time for the inflammation to totally go away, that it won't disappear suddenly, but anyway, it has already reduced a lot. The vet couldn't say from the start if the surgery will help him or not, but she suggested it worth trying and that he can't live all his life under anti-inflammatory injections. So together we made the decision to make the surgery, and looks like we took the right decision for him. It's obviously he's feeling much better now. He is happier and more active. I know he is overweight, even though he's not eating that much, but it is very difficult for me to keep him under a proper diet here in the community. So he will start a proper diet as soon as he will go to his forever loving family.